Filter.
Filter.
Power plug.
Power plug.
Start her up. There we go. Now we'll be protected and have clean air.
Ah!
Monsters again. You know, technically this air purifier protects us from all the monsters.
It does?
Oh yeah. The Vital 200S is like a magical fortress filled with lots of mighty warriors that fight all the monsters. It uses a powerful infrared dust sensor to detect airborne particles and automatically adjust the fan speed to keep our air clean. The Vital 200S also uses a special filtration process with 3 mighty stages that stop pet hair monsters, bacteria creatures, and odor beasts. The large, powerful U-shaped air inlet ducts improve performance and absorption of hair and large particles. The Vital 200S protects the whole bedroom kingdom, and with a low noise level, we get to sleep soundly.